What's up guys, it's China Post. Today we're gonna go through unboxing Sony Xperia T. I bought it on AliExpress for around $150. If you want to see it, just click on the link in the description. Okay, there we go. It's well packed. Okay, first let's check some specification on the back. It's quite interesting. It's using Bravia engine. I've got here impressive 13 megapixel camera. Let's see what else we've got inside the box. Wow, there's no. Oh, here it is. Okay, so we've got the phone, of course, Sony Xperia T. The phone is really well packed. Obviously there is no way to break the front glass. The black and white Sony Xperia T. And of course we've got the headphones. Okay. Micro USB and hero plug. And of course some information. Okay, never mind. Okay, there we go. Let's get the phone on. Sony. Xperia. Nice intro. It's turning off. I don't know why. Okay, I will try one more time. Okay. Finally we are ready. The touchscreen works really good. Yeah, I think everything is okay. The phone call. I have to check the camera. Let's see it. Let's take a photo. Okay. The photos look quite nice. It's really powerful camera. 13 megapixel does a great job. Yeah. And the video quality is awesome. If you want to check HD video, just click in the right corner over there. Let's see something about the phone. Display. It's not here. Location. Data and time. About phone. Software update. Oh, come on. How long do I have to wait? Okay, maybe next time. Okay, one more time. About phone. model number, Android version. Yeah, that's all information about the phone. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned for next clip. See ya.